If you've seen ads for Yagoo Dentures all over your feed, you're not alone. The company pushes what it calls AI customized dental kits that promise a perfect fit in just 30 seconds, no glue required. They claim to use medical-grade materials, prevent bone loss, and even flash around supposed FDA and ADA approval. Add in dramatic before and after photos and glowing 5-star dentist endorsements, and it sounds like a dream solution for anyone trying to avoid high dental bills in the United States.
We don't promote this video in any way. This video is only for educational purpose.
To be fair, there are a few positive reviews floating around. Some buyers say the molding process felt simple and straightforward. A couple of users mentioned they liked the suction-style fit and felt more confident wearing them compared to older removable dentures. For short-term cosmetic use, a small number of customers felt the product looked decent enough in photos. The lower price point is clearly part of the appeal. But once you dig deeper into real customer feedback, serious red flags start popping up. First, the medical claims raise eyebrows. Promises like prevents bone loss or perfect fit for all mouths don't align with how proper dental prosthetics actually work. Proper dentures require precise impressions, bite alignment, and professional adjustments. Without that, users report sore gums, poor alignment, and difficulty chewing. Second, the certification claims are questionable. While Yagoo advertising references FDA and ADA approval, many reviewers say there's no verifiable proof shown on the site. When it comes to something that sits in your mouth daily, material safety isn't optional. Another concern is pricing transparency. Similar-looking denture kits appear on wholesale platforms for just a few dollars, yet are sold at a steep markup. Some customers describe receiving thin, toy-like plastic pieces that don't resemble the ads. Then there are complaints about customer service, refunds, and missing deliveries. Multiple buyers report being ignored after requesting refunds, with some forced to dispute charges through their banks. Bottom line, if you're researching Yagoo dentures, approach with caution. When it comes to your oral health, a licensed dental professional is still the safest route.